Almost 36 years ago, in mid-October 1985, I never would have imagined that the lights would ever be switched off in Ward 24. It's a different period of time.
Back then, nursing is like more hands-on. We only got a total of 25 staff. Now it's already increased by 4-fold.
This is the place I grew. So I really thank all the nurses and doctors for the lessons learned over the years.
During the moving, we need to move the babies one by one. We prepared everything. The respiratory therapist should be there, at least one doctor and 2 or 3 staff nurses to move the baby. If it's ventilated babies, we make sure the ventilator is functioning, the battery is on, with all the lines intact, and the monitor is properly working. Then along the way, we must make sure that the baby is okay, the vital signs are okay. Then we slowly walk into the new ward.
I'm very certain that in about 10 months, when the lights are switched on again, Ward 24 will continue to house the leading of the nation with a broader vision of neonatal intensive care, filled with staff committed to the mission of working on this vision.